Welcome to Auto Craze. Today, we dive deep into the world of luxury and performance with the Audi A8, a masterpiece of German engineering that redefines elegance, technology, and driving comfort. Let's start this video. The Audi A8 boasts a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette with sharp lines and a commanding presence on the road. The signature single-frame grille dominates the front, flanked by stunning HD matrix LED headlights or optional digital matrix LED technology that offers exceptional illumination and dynamic lighting sequences. The sculpted body, elegant chrome accents, and seamlessly integrated OLED taillights create a distinctive look that blends sportiness with luxury. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of pure luxury. The cabin of the Audi A8 is crafted with the finest materials, featuring premium leather, natural wood inlays, and customizable ambient lighting to set the perfect mood. The spacious interior offers first-class comfort, with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats available for both front and rear passengers. The long-wheelbase variant, the A8L, takes luxury a step further by offering an executive rear seat package, complete with reclining seats, foot massagers, and a rear seat entertainment system that transforms every journey into a first-class experience. Technology is at the heart of the Audi A8. The MMI touch response system replaces traditional buttons with dual touch screens, providing intuitive control over navigation, climate, and media functions. The fully digital Audi Virtual Cockpit delivers crisp graphics and customizable displays, ensuring the driver has all the essential information right in front of them. The available Olufsen 3D sound system creates an immersive audio experience, turning the cabin into a private concert hall. Performance-wise, the Audi A8 offers a range of powerful engines, including a turbocharged V6, a V8 option, and a plug-in hybrid variant for those seeking efficiency without sacrificing performance. The legendary quattro all-wheel drive ensures exceptional stability and grip, making every drive smooth and confident, regardless of road conditions. The adaptive air suspension and predictive active suspension system work together to deliver a ride that is both comfortable and dynamic, adapting to bumps and corners with ease. Safety and driver assistance features in the A8 are top-notch, with Audi's advanced driver assistance systems offering a semi-autonomous driving experience. Features like adaptive cruise assist, lane keeping assist, night vision assist, and a 360-degree camera provide enhanced security and convenience, making every drive safer and more relaxed. The Audi A8 isn't just about luxury and technology, it's about making a statement. Whether you're a business executive looking for a sophisticated ride or a car enthusiast who appreciates cutting-edge automotive engineering, the A8 delivers on every front. Its combination of elegance, innovation, and performance makes it one of the most desirable luxury sedans on the market today. So, what do you think of the Audi A8? Is this the ultimate luxury sedan for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Craze for more in-depth car reviews, test drives, and automotive news. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.